Imagine this. One arrogant decision, one ignored warning, one careless word. And entire empires crumble, millions perish, and the world is never the same. These aren't fairy tales or Hollywood plots. These are the raw, documented moments where human hubris, tiny mistakes, or sheer bad luck rewrote history forever. Welcome back to Mystic History Files, the channel that digs up the hidden turning points that still haunt us today. Today we're unlocking 10 of the most shocking real-life incidents that prove history doesn't just happen. It hangs by the thinnest, most fragile threads. Stick around, because by the end, you'll never look at decisions the same way again. Let's dive in. Killing Genghis Khan's envoys. The diplomatic insult that doomed an empire. Picture the scene. 1218. A bustling trade caravan rolls into Otrar. The governor accuses them of spying, seizes everything, and slaughters almost everyone. Shah Muhammad II? He doesn't apologize. He doubles down. Genghis Khan sends 3 envoys to demand justice. The Shah's response? He beheads one and shaves the beards of the others, the ultimate insult in Mongol culture. What happens next is pure vengeance on an unimaginable scale. Genghis unleashes 90,000 to 200,000 warriors. Cities like Samarkand and Merv are reduced to ash. Between 2 and 15 million people die. One arrogant insult, and the map of Asia is redrawn forever. The Titanic disaster. Unsinkable ship meets its icy doom. They called her practically unsinkable. Advanced watertight compartments, luxury beyond imagination. But on April 14, 1912, 6 urgent iceberg warnings flood the bridge. The captain keeps steaming at full speed, 22 knots straight into danger. The lookouts spot the berg too late. The collision tears the side open. Lifeboats for only half the souls on board. Panic. Freezing water. Over 1,500 lives lost in the dark Atlantic. This wasn't just a shipwreck. It shattered humanity's arrogance toward nature and forced the world to create SOLAS, mandatory lifeboats, and the ice patrol. Lives saved ever since because of one night of deadly overconfidence. Chernobyl nuclear disaster, the night a reactor became a monster. April 26, 1986, midnight. A routine safety test turns into nightmare. Operators shut down safety systems, ignore protocols. The flawed RBMK design goes critical. Power surges, steam explosion, graphite fire. Radioactive poison rains across Europe. 2 dead instantly. 28 more from radiation in weeks. Thousands more battle cancers and birth defects for decades. The Soviet Union tries to hide it, but the truth explodes outward, hastening the empire's collapse and forever changing nuclear safety worldwide. Human error plus secrecy equals the ghost town we still call Chernobyl. The exclusion zone remains a ghostly testament to human hubris. China's 4 Pests campaign. When killing birds starved millions. Mao Zedong declares war on nature. Rats, flies, mosquitoes, and sparrows. Citizens grab pots, bang them non-stop to exhaust the birds mid-flight. Nests destroyed. Millions of sparrows slaughtered. The birds disappear. Locusts? They explode. No predators left. Crops devoured. Combined with disastrous policies, the Great Famine hits. 15 to 55 million starved to death. China quietly reverses course in 1960, even imports sparrows from the Soviets. One ecological blunder, and nature bites back harder than anyone imagined. Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the dawn of the nuclear age. August 6, 1945. A quiet morning in Hiroshima. Then, the sky flashes brighter than 1,000 suns. Little boy detonates. 70,000 to 80,000 gone instantly. Up to 140,000 by year's end. 3 days later, Nagasaki. Fat man. Another 40,000 to 80,000 lost. Truman's decision ends World War II, but opens the nuclear Pandora's box. The arms race begins. Treaties struggle to contain it. Survivors suffer for generations. 2 bombs, and humanity enters an age where we can end ourselves in minutes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video.